Hi, my name is Nia Clark, and I work at Vertex. Now, I made this. It's a small little luggage carried perfume. It's the best thing you could ever get. Nothing compares to it. If you ever need something to carry in your luggage, always count on this. Because this is the thing that I use. I came up with, and Vertex loves it. If you hate it, you hate it, and that's your problem because you're missing out on all the fun. Now, if you love it, you know that you're perfect. And I think that you could say, hey, look, I have perfume. And somebody might say, so? You saw it on YouTube and you bought it. But that's not true. Because you just bought the best thing that you could ever have. So don't talk to those people who are jealous. Because those people who tease you and stuff, and the girls, they're jealous of you. And if you get this, they're really jealous of you. If it's a boy, they like you. Please, I have that a lot. But we're not talking about me. We're talking about this. If you don't have money, then that's okay. Because sometimes you tell the people you don't have money, and they give it to you for free. That's what's incredible, right? I love it. Thank you. Don't forget, this is from Vertex. Thank you.
Yeah, can Savannah do one next?